Hey friends, this is John Sheldon from Renu Energy Solutions in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm an energy consultant here, and I want to talk about our next episode in our solar educational series, What Qualifies Your Home for Solar? There's 4 important topics to keep in mind when you're considering solar for your home. Let's talk about them. The first one is the utility. You want to make sure you have a utility company that is going to be solar friendly. The good news is here in the Carolinas, most of them are, but talk to your solar expert to find out what program they're offering. The second important thing is going to be the orientation or the direction in which the panels will face. Because the sun travels from the southeast to the southwest, you want to make sure you have a roof line that faces one of those directions. So as the sun rises and moves throughout the day along the equator, in the morning the west side of the home will be shaded, in the midday the north side of the home will be shaded, and in the evening, the east side of the home will be shaded. Now, the other thing to consider is the shade. You might be surprised to know that solar still works in low light conditions, like on cloudy days or with tree shade. So technology's come a really long way, which means that even if you have low light or shade over your home, you're still going to be able to get solar energy production, which is awesome. The fourth thing to consider is how much roof space you have available. A minimum of 500 square feet is going to allow you to have enough panels on your home to provide enough energy to meet your needs. Alternatively, you could always have it on the ground in your yard. Next time in our next episode, we're going to talk about the roof material and the roof age, but that's still to come. So in the meantime, I'm John Sheldon, your solar soldier, signing off.